Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, Everyday Thrifty Living. Cass, Odie.
Wow, how subdued.
Subscribe! There we go. If you like what you've seen so far and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you saw our last Dollar Tree haul, well, our second to last, so we have another one too. Well, the one where we hauled all the frozen foods. And we said we were going to do a video. Well, this is that video, and oh god. We're going to be pausing it intermittently. So this is going to be the, hold on. Hold on, I want to show the package.
Showed up? I did. I showed it.
This is the Jamaican style beef patty, the golden crust. This is a micro. Oh. Is this your meat patty that you would love?
I don't know. Not until I put it in my mouth. I won't tell you. I'm gonna cut mine in half a little bit more because I just want to cut it mine a little bit more. That tastes like dog food, man.
Oh come on! I haven't even had it yet.
Spicy dog food.
Oh my god.
I don't like the texture of the meat.
It looks all wuka.
Ugh.
Look at it.
Got it.
Oh my god, yeah.
No. Thumbs down for that. And I even have 3 dipping sauces.
Well, that's for the egg rolls coming up next.
Oh.
Okay, so, yay your name.
Me.
So the meat patties, Jamaican meat patties,
I don't know. It doesn't have any taste. It's just spicy.
It's spicy.
Dog food.
It looks like a meat patty. Wait. Oh.
Well, it looks like a dog.
It gotta be a dog. So let's pause it
that
now.
Ain't no meat body.
Because up next is what, the egg roll? So we're gonna pause it now. Whoa, one bust. We're batting 1,000 in bad food here. So pause it for a second. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to fix that part. Anyway, so this is the chicken egg roll. Imperial Garden, show it off.
I put it in the microwave, Soggyville.
Smell.
Then I stuck it in the oven.
This is the sauce that it comes with.
To crust it up, because I can't eat soggy stuff.
Here you go, this is the duck sauce.
The inside.
The smell. Wait, hold on. You have to take 2 bites. One with the sauce and one without the sauce.
What did I get all the other sauces for?
You could taste it with the sauce if it makes it feel better. Oh, okay, there is the sauce. It looks like duck sauce. I think, to be honest, I think it's just duck sauce here. A little plate. There's a little duck sauce right there. Alright, so first bite with or without?
Whatever.
Okay, that's what it looks like. Oh,
Oh.
I haven't even had it yet.
Oh my gosh.
Oh god, so hot!
Well, I want to make sure it was fully cooked. That's not an egg roll.
That's your stuff thing. Maybe the sauce.
No, let's try it with the sauce.
The sauce.
Tastes better with the sauce.
Sauce is just pure duck sauce.
Oh. This was supposed to be our lunch. Thank God I bought lunch first.
Oh, it's so soggy. Look at it. It's so greasy and soggy, and look at the inside. It looks so disgusting. Do not buy this egg roll. It's not good.
Chicken and egg roll sucks.
Where's the chicken?
I don't even want to know.
Is this it? Is that it?
Alright. Plus.
Man!
Come on.
Well, try it with your zesty sauce.
No, I'm not gonna ruin my delicious sauces.
Should we leave it for Dad? See if he eats it?
Let me get the other one.
What's the next one?
Pause. The grilled chicken sandwich. Yeah.
Pause. Alright, we're back, and now we're going to... It's the chicken, grilled chicken, fast bites.
Alright, microwave, all soggy, put it in the oven. Cheese did not hold up.
Love you, I don't want to eat that.
Oh!
Oh! Mama! smells like butt. Ew, and it's black. Look at the chicken, it's black. Oh, they probably can't see that.
Well, both of us can't handle it.
Okay, okay.
You do it then. You do.
It's black. So let's just eat from this one.
Why? We're gonna end up throwing it out anyway. Here, stop cutting it. Just take one and I'll take the other. That's it.
Can I have...
Oh. No sauce in the world is gonna fix that.
Oh, God! The chicken looks so disgusting. Oh, God, I'm trying to get the chicken back onto the patty. It's burning me. Burn, baby, burn. No disco here.
I'll be right there.
Oh. There's no flavor.
Special treat. No pausing.
Oh, in time. Mom, I tried it. There's no flavor.
No, it's disgusting. It tastes like raw chicken.
You think it's raw?
Or what it would taste like.
You think it's raw?
Raw. Burned my mouth. I got blisters everywhere. I got blisters in my mouth.
I got blisters on my fingers. So 3 for 3, a 0, 0, 0. Next is, hopefully will be the best one, the brown and serve. Banquet brown and serve French toast. Oh, it smells good actually. I like French toast.
The only one I was looking for.
Oh, Mama, you put gravy, you put syrup all over my disc.
I cleaned it up.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, well. And the 2 little sausages.
Okay, take a piece and dunk it in the syrup.
Ah!
It's hot.
You make better French toast. But it's not bad.
It's not good.
There's something off with that syrup. Oh, I recognize that flavor. Growing up, I used to eat the if you ever remember the little like, it came in a plastic microwavable tray, the egg and the sausage. Remember that, Mom? That's what that sausage tastes like.
The little powdered eggs and stuff.
Yep. It's that syrup. There's something off with that syrup. It's not bad. I think regular syrup would work better though.
I wouldn't give this a thumbs up. I would just go.
I would go right here in neutral. And it's been thumbs down so far.
I can't eat that. That's disgusting.
You know what it smells like?
Mm.
It smells like that weird vanilla smell.
And now a commercial brought to you by Brown and Serve.
Oh.
It sucks.
What was that? That vanilla smell. You remember that vanilla smell?
Yeah. I suppose for $1 it's not bad, but still.
No. I think this would probably be the most edible one so far.
Oh yeah.
The sausage is pretty good.
I gotta go get the next one.
Alright. Time to pause the second. What's the next one?
Get her done! That's it.
1, 2. Already?
Get her done is next, and then we have the Eclair.
Okay.
It's beeping for me.
Let me pause it. Alright, we're back. Well, no. Millisecond. It's time for the second to last item.
Be careful, it's gonna spill.
It's Gator done. It's the Larry Cable Guy. This is
Gator done.
biscuit and sausage
Gator.
gravy. What does it look like on the inside? Oh.
I hope I needed it in. Oh, look at that. 2 little biscuits inside with some sauce. Probably has a piece of overcooked sausage in it. Right, cut her up.
It's so...
Oh, that's soggy though.
That's soggy bottoms. The George Clooney soggy bottom brothers.
Feels like mashed potatoes.
I haven't even had it yet, and you're already. Oh my god. Let me have the biscuit first.
Oh, yeah, that'll be the last thing you eat. Wow. Man, Larry, you didn't get her done this time. That is disgusting.
And this is a staple in the South. Oh.
It is a staple in the South if it's done correctly, not TV dinner crap.
Oh. The biscuit itself is not bad, actually.
It's disgusting.
I like biscuits.
And where is the sausage?
No, the sausage is in the gravy. Right there. There's the sausage right there. There it is. Right there. No, right here. The black dot.
I don't trust it. It's just a black dot.
Here you go. There it is. There it is. See, there it is. There's the sausage. There it is. You want it? Oh.
Last but not least,
The Eclairs have been in the windowsill because it's so sunny out.
I forgot to defrost them.
So these are just regular standard chocolate Eclairs. And I will take one, and Odie will take one. My differser.
Wow, can you wait for a second? Still frozen, right?
Oh yeah.
It's an eclair.
It's an Eclair.
Not bad.
No.
Not good. Oh.
What? Oh, it's in my tooth. It's so cold. Oh my god.
That's it. I'm not having any more.
Oh my god. It's so cold. It's so cold. Mama.
Mmm.
It's so cold. Alright, there we go. Alright. Worst one.
Uh.
For me personally. I'll probably okay.
The
Let's hold up our worst.
one?
Let's hold up our worst ones.
But this egg roll was disgusting.
Best one?
Best one, the eclairs and the French toast. And
Dog food went straight to
the sandwich was also bad. This was better than the other ones, but still disgusting.
Okay.
Good.
That is our Dollar Tree food taste test. If I didn't mention that earlier, I'm
and
sorry.
the last one of a food taste test from the Dollar Tree. I ain't spending money like this when it's disgusting.
We could try again.
Nope.
Pata?
Nope.
Is there a pata?
Nope.
3 likes for pata?
Nope.
3 likes?
Nope.
3 likes?
Nope.
Come on, Mama, 3 likes?
16 likes and I'll do it.
I've never gotten 16 likes on a video.
What do you think I'm saying?
Oh, my Shane Dawson here. Anyway.
God forbid.
Anyway, so that is our Dollar Tree taste test. I forgot. I should have mentioned that earlier. I probably didn't. Sorry if I didn't. Title, thumbnail, everything will have said that. So, don't do it. I mean, don't. It's just not good. Like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed and seen my videos and are not subscribed yet, please subscribe.
My fingers because of the syrup.
Because we try and make everybody laugh. Oh!
Oh yeah, that felt good. Bye everyone.
Bye everybody. Bye. Bye.